Hi Virgos, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be a reading for October 15 to the 31st. And if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. First, I'll be looking at the current situation, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. So, while watching this, also please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So just take what resonates and leave what does not. A small tip as to how would you know this reading is resonating. So I look at the current situation for a reason. If the current situation is something that you can relate yourself to, then pretty much this reading is for you. All right. And obviously, if the current situation is resonating, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate. All right. So let's see what's going on with you, Virgos. What's going on with you, Virgos? Ten of Swords, Strength, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Okay. Okay, you're seeking something that is practical and stable, but you're avoiding that as well somewhere. Like you are avoiding to be a little pushy here. Maybe this is an ask from someone. Maybe you want the stability, or maybe the stability can only come to you if a particular person is there, or you have to ask this person. And maybe if you ask, then you might just break their heart, or maybe it might just lead to something. So right now I would say that in your mind you know that if you ask for this, then things can um, go a little topsy turvy. Okay, so you're suppressing that desire. However, the heart wants it. I can see that from inside you want the stability. You want this with someone. Okay, and you're resisting the need to ask for it because somewhere you feel that no, you cannot. You just can't, because you're not in that mental frame of mind to be able to do this at this point. Okay. I feel that so maybe you went a certain way for a while with this person or with yourself, and now it's reached completion. You can't go on like this anymore. It has to progress. Okay. So that's the current situation that I see for you, Virgos. Now, if this resonates, let me see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Two of Wands. Wow. The Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Swords, and the Devil. Okay. So there is something that you need to accept, and that acceptance will come. That acceptance will come in these 15 days. A way of thinking, or something you need to understand, a vision, clarity, a new perspective altogether is what I'm seeing in the coming 15 days. Either you're going to realize what is meant for you and you would act accordingly, as in either this is meant for you or this is not meant for you. You will be able to see whether it is worth the wait or not. This is the clarity that you're getting in these 15 days. Is it good enough for me to stay in it, or should I let it be? This clarity is setting in. Okay? You had to go through this, is what I'm seeing, because there is no escape here. You had to go through this process of probably anxiety and then understanding yourself a little more. That's what I'm seeing here. Okay? Now, let's see what's the advice for you here, Virgos. What's the advice for you here? Fairies. Stop overthinking. This fear will not take shape in reality. Trust me. Avoid reckless behavior and refrain from taking impulsive decisions. Just play and do not take stress. Go with the flow. The outcome is going to be much better than your imagination. Later, you will wonder why were you even taking so much stress. Be ready to be amazed by how events play out in your favor. Okay? So that's what I have for you, Virgos. I hope this reading helps you. Please let me know in the comments. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care. Bye-bye.